What's up, everybody? It's Zach. It's Thursday. Golly, I gotta go to Odessa tomorrow again. But guess what? I got some more mail. Where's my pocket knife at? There. So it's coming from my homeboy up there in New York, Alan. You the man, Alan. Appreciate you. I met a lot of cool cats from New York. A lot from California too. Cool cats out there. But let's see what you sent me. Oh, okay. You thinking I don't look good in the old? Okay. Sweet. AJB Industries, LLC. That's a pretty sweet hat. I like it. There's a note there. Alan, I appreciate you, man. Keep pumping out great work in the greatest country in the world. Love the content you provide. Real world shit. No in theory bullshit. Can't wait to have a cold one with you. Cheers, Alan. Alan, man, you're awesome, bro. I love you, man. Thank you very much. Thank you for your friendship. Thank you for sending me stuff. Thank you for believing in the country, in our country, and the working man. And I guess you're trying to make me look good, dude, because this is my first polo I got, so I like it. You know, I like to hit them polos up, man. I like it. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Always a blessing, man. Thank you very much. Y'all have a good day. Bye.